Have you ever wondered how the shampoo you use every day is made? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating process of shampoo production, from raw ingredients to the final product. Shampoo starts with a blend of key ingredients. The main components are water, detergents, and conditioning agents. Water makes up about 70 to 80% of most shampoo formulas, acting as the base that holds everything together. The detergents, also known as surfactants, are the cleaning agents. They help lift dirt, oils, and other impurities from your hair. Common surfactants include sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium laureth sulfate. Next, the ingredients are mixed. This is done in large industrial mixers that ensure everything is combined evenly. Depending on the formula, other ingredients like moisturizers, fragrances, and preservatives are added at this stage. To make the shampoo more effective, additional ingredients like oils or vitamins may be included. These provide extra hydration and nutrients for your hair. Once all the ingredients are combined, the mixture is tested for viscosity or thickness. This ensures the shampoo has the right texture and feel when used. After the mixture passes quality control, it's time for bottling. The shampoo is filled into bottles by machines, sealed and labeled. Finally, the products are packaged and ready to be shipped to stores. And that's how your shampoo is made, clean, bottled, and ready to give your hair the care it needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how shampoo is made, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How Hub for more videos on how things are made.